Welcome to another video from Inception Closer. Today's video, I'm going to be digging a little deep in this one. And it's not going to be easy for me to share this, but because mainly you're going to think I'm a bit of a jerk by the end of this video. You're probably going to think, this guy doesn't really know what he's talking about. You might be wondering, what's the catch? Or you might think that I'm lying. Or you're probably thinking, how much is this program that he wants to sell me? And you might be thinking in the back of your head just before Christmas, I don't have any money. I don't have any time. I don't make decisions like this on the spot. I need to talk to my spouse, my significant partner. I bought courses before and they've never worked, or you might be thinking that I'm not good at sales, or maybe you think I'm good at sales, but you're not. That's why this won't work. You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Or maybe you think that I know it all and that I'm just trying to make a quick buck. And you might be also thinking, does this actually work? This guy doesn't have any testimonials. Or you're probably thinking that you are better at selling than I am, so why listen to me? So everything that you just heard in this video so far is what you call an accusation audit. You need to be able to bring this to the table before you start the negotiations. So selling is obsolete. You need to be at the negotiation table. If you're not sure how to do that, then you need to join my free Facebook group, and it's Inception Like Negotiations. This is where we drill this stuff over and over again. I share tips, strategies, techniques each week for free. And what do you get out of it? When you walk away from any of our trainings, you're going to be able to negotiate better deals. That could even be with your spouse. You might want to use these skills on your kids, or maybe your boss, negotiate a better salary, negotiate better hours, all this kind of stuff. So this is what we drill over and over again. And if you're not comfortable negotiating, now's the time to do it. And join us inside our Facebook group. Again, go to the link below, and it's Inception Like Negotiations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.